Today I am going to tell you about Republic Day. Republic Day has been celebrated every year in India on January 26 since 1950 to honor the date on which the Constitution of India came into effect. India was a colony of the British rule over 200 years and became independent from the rule of the British Raj following the Indian independence movement. While India became independent on August 14, 1947, it still didn't have a permanent constitution and Indian law were based on a modified version of the British established Government of India. However, 2 weeks later, on 29 August 1947, a drafting committee was appointed for the drafting of a permanent Indian constitution with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as chairman. After a lot of hard work, the constitution was finally drafted and January 26 was chosen as the day to declare India as the sovereign republic. The significance of January 26 is that on that day in 1929, the Indian National Congress made the well known declaration of Indian independence, Purna Swaraj, as opposed to British rule. And though the constitution came into force in 1950 with a democratic government system, it was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. This completed the country's transition into becoming a sovereign republic. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, first term of office as the President of the Indian Union. January 26 is celebrated to commemorate the Indian Constitution replacing the Government of India Act as the governing document of India. And now it is celebrated across the India with a lot of favor. In Delhi, at Rajpath, magnificent parades by regiment of Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, Police and paramilitary forces march, and there is also a display. India's defense prowess is on the display with latest missile, aircraft and weapon system. Beautiful tableaux representing the beauty of all the states of India are also showcased during the parade. There are also sky shows by the aircraft. The parade is presided over by the President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces, as he unfurled our national flag Tiranga and the national anthem is played. The regiment of the armed force then started their march past. Prestigious awards like Kirti Chakra, Ashok Chakra, Paramvir Chakra and Veer Chakra are given out by the President. Republic Day is a national holiday in India. However, schools celebrate the day with patriotic zeal, with students and teachers organizing program and performance to mark the day. Happy Republic Day to all.